Hello students, in the virtual class we learn about the topic that will be about the search engine. We repeat the search engine, then we learn about the applications that via using of the internet. And I gave you one task to play online games and hopefully that you do it with your parents. Also given a one link that will be also given in your textbook. Okay, I also introduced a one thing that is called the comic strip and also gave an homework about the comic strip from cutting the comic strip to newspaper and stick in your notebook. Now, if you have, you can see that comic strip will be in your newspaper or the magazines. But have you seen how to create it? इसको बनाते कैसे हैं? We are going to learn how to create a comic strip online. ये भी हमें online ही बनाए. This is a one part of an application of an internet. So we are going to learn about the comic strip. Already given demo of the comic strip. What is the comic strip and how it will be displayed whenever you see in the newspaper. So now we are going to learn the comic strip here. So first of all, what is the comic strip? A comic strip is a series of drawings related to the comic incident, my strip, story, or the adventure arranged as a horizontal strip. सिंपली इट्स अ वन टाइप ऑफ स्टोरी. कुछ नहीं है. कॉमिक स्ट्रिप में क्या होता है? स्टोरी होती है, कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, उनकी कन्वर्जेशंस होती है, ऐसे उसका थॉट करके दिखाया जाता है. सो दैट विल बी अ कॉमिक स्ट्रिप. Already you can see that thing in your newspaper and the magazines. You can see the comic strip in the newspaper, magazines, and the comic book. It can be easily created using a website. So there are many more websites available to create a comic strip. So let's start that. Perform the following steps to design a comic strip. 1. Open a web browser. Type web address. I first read all the things, then I will be shown the practical of the creating comic strip. On the address bar of the web browser, at the bottom of the window, explore the different buttons. You can see this different button whenever you open this website. So I'm going to open the website. So let's start to open that website. Sorry. I'm just trying to open that website, the storyboardthat.com. The process will be, you can see it's opening the website. It will be take us some time to open. That will be this link already given in your textbook also. Okay, that will be other process. I'm just writing that thing, www.storyboardthat.com, first one. So it will be take us some time due to some network problem. And okay, I'm searching that website. That will be a https colon slashes storyboard storyboard.com storyboard creator. So you have to be click on that. You can see the solutions also. Whenever you click on that, it will be taken process and open your website. So here you can see the screen of the storyboard creator. You can create your own story. आप अपनी story create कर सकते हो with use of the different background, different characters and different thoughts. You can write down your own text. आप अपना text लिख सकते हो. आप अपनी खुद की story बना सकते हो with use of the different backgrounds. You can also save that. So you can see the different buttons that will be also here, that these are the buttons that will be also seen that. Then storyboard layout, to add the number of the panels. So it will be take a process. So I just introduced to all the panels that will be, you can see here, and then we are go ahead after that with the process will be completed in your web page. Storyboard layout, to add the number of the panels. Panels means the different places. For example, whenever you see the story, there will be a boxes in front of that. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, that are called the panels. Undo, to reverse the earlier action. अगर आपको आगे की action वापस से perform करनी है. Redo, to restore the action that of the undo. अपने जो undo किया है उसको redo करनी है, मतलब वापस से लाने के लिए. Now, click on the storyboard layout to add the number of the panels required for the comic strip. You have to use the add button to add the different panels, to add the more panels for the comic strip. I read everything, then I will show you the practical. Use the following menu located at the top of the window. Add scenes, characters, shapes and the callouts. Like that. That will be also seen that. So here you can see that first. Layout, delete, means if you want to either undo, redo, save, then here you can see the storyboard, that scenes, characters, textables. Different characters are also available here, that textables, which thing you want to do, shapes, then unforgettables, if you want to use a different characters, web and the webs जो आपको दिखते हैं. Okay, then science, related to science, worksheets, then upload. Okay, different चीज आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. आपको जो भी इंसर्ट करना हो आप यहाँ पे इंसर्ट कर. दिस इज द बैकग्राउंड. then character means if you want to add the some of the things then you can. Okay, layout means which type of layout you wants to hear. आपको कौन सा layout चाहिए यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. different layouts are there. आपको किस तरह का वेब पेज चाहिए, मतलब फर्स्ट उसकी पैनल्स जो होगी वो आपको किस तरह की चाहिए. इफ यू वांट टू 6 पैनल्स देन यू कैन यूज दैट. If you want to panels, worksheet, small poster, big poster, then you can select them. By default, it already selected, so no need to change. I suggest you just because we are new in this. So first of all, I'm just going to the scenes and select the one background. You can see that in the scenes there are very different parts of that. First is the town, second is the entertainment, home outdoor, athletics, school, transportations, work. मीन्स आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है कि आपको क्या सिलेक्ट करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू टेक अ town here and just drag and drop here. So you can see that there will be a many more options are here. अगर आपको कुछ changes करनी है तो उसके अंदर आप कर सकते हो in the scene. Okay. Then first this is the background I take. Now I have to take a character. For example, simply I just take a character here that will be stand on the road. अगर आपको उसको कस्टमाइज करना है, उसके हेयर कैसे चाहिए आपको यहाँ पे आप कर सकते हो. उसका पोज किस तरह से चाहिए, उसका रोटेट चाहिए, बैक चाहिए, फ्रंट चाहिए, राइट चाहिए, पूरा रोटेशन आप कर सकते हो. चेंजेस कर सकते हो, आई चेंजेस कर सकते हो, क्राई, लाफ, like this. You can see the all the changes. दैट विल बी फन फॉर यू आई थिंक। आपको उसको फन आएगा इसको यूज करने में, खुद की कॉमिक स्ट्रिप बनाने में। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम जस्ट सिलेक्टिंग दिस वन, फ्रंट बैक लेफ्ट राइट, आपको किस तरह का चाहिए वो उस तरह से आप select कर सकते हो. So you can see that it will be comes here. If you want to change the screen, then you can do that. आपको उसका hair का color change करना है, फिर आपको उसकी eyes का color change करना है, then you can do that. Okay, so here you can see the pose. And it I think it will be I just made by myself. आप अपनी तरह से बनाओ, मैं अपनी तरह से बनाती हूँ, देखेंगे किसका बेस्ट बनता है. Just give you an example. Now character I put, background I put, now I have to add the text. आप देखते हो, you can made your own. या फिर आप एक काम और कर सकते हो कि आप अपने जो न्यूज़पेपर में मैगजीन में जो देखते हो, मे बी इट विल बी इन द हिंदी और गुजराती. इफ इट विल बी इन हिंदी और गुजराती, देन यू कैन कन्वर्ट देम. आप उसको कन्वर्ट कर दो इंग्लिश में और खुद की एक स्टोरी बोर्ड बनाओ, एक कॉमिक स्ट्रिप बनाओ. सो आई एम टेकिंग एन text here, so you can see that if you whatever you want to add, you can do that. You can change the text type also. So here I am writing, so I just do that for once. It's a demo, so don't worry for that. Oh, where I am, I don't know this place. Okay, so I just made a one थिंकिंग. वो बोल रहा है इस तरह से मैंने बनाया. आपने कॉमिक स्ट्रिप देखी होगी, तो उसमें भी इस तरह से ही कुछ आता है. वो कंफ्यूज है, कैरेक्टर के हिसाब से भी मैंने यहाँ पे रखा है. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग अ सेकंड सीन. I will be take the same scene just because I want to be made the conversions, so that's why I'm taking that same scene. If you want to select this one, you can do that. You can go for home, school, athletic, transport. There are many more options are available, so you can take your own. I'm just going to the town and select for the second. Now choosing the same character, this one, I'm just selecting this thing. So taking the same, that will be a copy of this. So if you want to copy this, just delete it. और यू कैन डू द अनडू. अगर ये आपको रिमूव करना है तो उसके लिए आप अनडू करोगे, जिसकी वजह से वो वापस चला जाएगा. एंड इफ यू डू द रीडू, देन इट विल बी कम्स बैक. सो आई एम डूइंग द अनडू एंड टेकन कॉपी ऑफ दिस. Copy. Okay, first of all we have to be select the cells which we have to be copied. Okay, so I'm taking a character that also again adding in that, adding the pose as we are doing that. And the face will be like this. Doing the same thing. Just because we want that, that's why I'm doing that. Hair will be color of this. The shirt will be color of that. So it will be same. Now done, and taking is right down. Okay, now this is she will be think that she don't know the place, and I suggest that other people, other person will be come here and tell him what was that, like this. This is a person who come here and give her the answer. Like he come with the smiling face and left over I turn him यू कैन डू योर चेंजेस। ओके, आपको उसको बिठाना हो, उसको इस तरह से खड़े करना हो, वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है कि उसको किस तरह से आपको सजेस्ट करना है। बट आई वांट टू स्टैंड हिम, सो आई विल बी डू द स्टैंडिंग। Okay, then I will be write down the text tables taking of him, that right he will be say that this is a tower of town. Sorry, first of all I'm writing that hello. I just removed that hello. I am Jack. Who are you? Just it's like a conversion. आपको भी बनानी है खुद से, सो ध्यान से उसको देखें. Again taking the same scene, this one. Then same characters, just because we are doing a conversion, so that's why we have to be take the same peoples. So edit the post, doing the same thing for that left. This time I will be do the smiling face, just because she have to be give an answer to him, so she will be completely come with the smiling face, and color of the shirt will be this. And taking this person as other character and turn him to the girl. ऐसा ही लगेगा कि ये दोनों जैसे बातें कर रहे हो. And now it's a textable. Here the Jack will be asked to this girl that I'm Jack, who are you? Now she will be give an answer to him. I am Lisa. I am new in town. Don't know anybody. I made my own story. Which is this place? Okay, you can see that there will be a long message, so you can increase the size of that. Like that. Now adding the text for him, this guy. So you can take this one, moving this and using this one, just because it will be not cut properly. So it will be show you that, oh, this is the town of, this is a tower of town. Just given demo, it's not necessary that it will private. So you can see that it will be created one comic strip here. Add cells, move cells means these are the option to adding and moving the cells. So I create a simple story here. 3 scenes are there and create a simple story. You can see that, and if you want to save it, it will be saved in the website. वो website में अपने आप ही save हो जाएगी. If you logged in with your account, ये आपकी account की डिटेल मांगेगा. Google है तो आप वहाँ से यूजर नेम, password, email address and the password you can add and you can save it. Okay, so this is the way to create your own comic strip here. These are the simple comic strip you can see here that will be available on the direct storyboard creator to create your own comic strip. So I gave you one task. So simple, you can see that there will be a conversion here and gave you one task that you have to be create your own story on the comic storyboard creator via using of your newspaper or the other thing that you have, like a magazines, if you see the magazines, or you can search on directly internet, आप इंटरनेट पे भी सर्च कर सकते हो सिंपली कॉमिक स्ट्रिप के एग्जांपल्स, और वहां से देख के आप अपनी कॉमिक स्ट्रिप बनाओगे। जैसे कि मैंने दिखाया, मैंने अपनी पूरी स्टोरी यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई, या फिर यहाँ पे भी मेरे पास भी एक एग्जांपल है। जस्ट पॉज द वीडियो हियर, see the whole the scenes, characters and add them in your storyboard। आपका जो स्टोरी बोर्ड होगा वहां पे आपको उसको कैरेक्टर्स को ऐड करो, कन्वर्जेशंस को भी ऐड करो। Understood? You have, this is your homework to create your own comic strip. Take the snap and send it on my personal number. So here we are end our chapter, and already you can see that there will be a exam portion will be sent it in your our WhatsApp group, and we already done our computer course, and we are going to revise all the things that we already done. So now we are ending the video, and we will meet on the next Wednesday with a revision. Okay, so have a good day. Bye everyone.